Are you ready to unlock the one secret that will change your waxing game forever? After 40, we all have experienced those moments when that wax felt like a torture session and left our skin looking more red than Rudolph's nose. But fear not, my friend, because today I am spilling the beans on a little secret that has been passed down from estheticians and mothers to daughters for generations. This is a game changer in the world of waxing, and it's something that they do unteach you anywhere else. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the one secret that will have you ditching those razors and embracing the wax. You are going to love this, and if you do, please hit that like button below. Now let's talk about what makes waxing feel so different for women over 40. It's not just the fact that our skin is more sensitive or that we have less time to spare. There is a deeper, more complex reason behind it. As we age, our hormones go through some major changes, which can make our hair follicles go rogue. Say goodbye to that perfectly smooth canvas because now you're dealing with thicker, darker, and more unruly hair than ever before. And let's not forget about the skin changes that come with age. Dryness, wrinkles, and sun damage can all contribute to making waxing a less than pleasant experience. But here's the thing, mature women tend to make some common mistakes that only make waxing more painful and less effective. One of the most common mistakes that mature women make is waiting too long between waxes. When you let your hair grow out for too long, it becomes harder to remove and can lead to more pain during the waxing process. Another mistake is not taking proper care of your skin before and after waxing. This can lead to irritation, redness, and even infection. And let's not forget about those who opt for cheaper alternatives like sugaring or depilatory creams. While they may seem like a quick fix, they can cause serious damage to your skin and hair follicles in the long run. So what is this hidden secret that can transform your waxing experience from dreadful to delightful? Are you ready to find out? Because I am about to blow your mind. Just by applying this simple trick, you can say goodbye to those sleepless nights spent worrying about waxing. Get ready to enter the world of smooth, silky skin that will leave you feeling like $1,000,000. No more embarrassing situations, no more painful procedures. This secret is your ticket to a world of endless possibilities where you can wear whatever you want without a second thought. So keep watching because I am about to reveal everything in just a moment. You see, this secret is so powerful that it will make you forget about all the negative experiences you've had with waxing in the past. Say goodbye to those days of dreading the wax and hello to a whole new era of confidence and self-love. Once you learn this trick, you will never want to go back to the old ways. In a moment, I will show you a demo of this trick and the exact product that contains this secret. But first, I want to explain why this secret works wonders and how it will benefit you. As a mature woman over 40, you know that our bodies go through some major changes as we age. One of the biggest changes is our skin becoming thinner and drier. This can make waxing a real pain, literally. But that's where the magic of this secret comes in. By incorporating this little trick into your waxing routine, you can help soothe your skin and reduce redness, irritation, and swelling. And let me tell you, this trick is so simple that you will kick yourself for not knowing it sooner. Another fantastic benefit of this secret is that it exfoliates dead skin cells and removes impurities. This means that your pores will be clear and open, making it easier for the wax to remove all the hair. Plus, it will leave your skin looking brighter and smoother than ever before. And let's face it, who doesn't love a good glow-up? Not only does this secret tip work wonders on its own, but it also pairs perfectly with your favorite skincare products. Whether you're using a serum, moisturizer, or sunscreen, this trick will help enhance their effectiveness. Your skin will absorb these products better and faster, giving you even more amazing results. And let me tell you, once you start using this secret, you won't want to go back to waxing without it. Now let me show you the best products that contain this secret and will work great on your 40+ mature skin. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective wax that's specifically designed for sensitive skin, look no further than the Nader Hard Wax Beans. These beans are made with 100 natural ingredients and are free from parabens, alcohol, and other harsh chemicals. Plus, they are vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using them. What sets these wax beans apart from the rest is that they are specially formulated to adhere to the hair and not the skin. This means that when it's time to remove the wax, it will take the hair with it, leaving your skin smooth and irritation-free. The Nord Hard Wax Beans also come with a money-back guarantee. So if you're not completely satisfied, you can get a full refund. No questions asked. Another great option for mature skin is the GG All Natural Hard Wax. This wax is made with a blend of natural ingredients, including honey and lemon, which is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. This wax is perfect for those who want a more natural approach to hair removal. It's also suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. And the best part, it comes with a free applicator kit, making it super easy to use. When it comes to removing unwanted facial hair, the NADS nose and ear trimmer is a must-have tool. This trimmer is specifically designed to remove hair from sensitive areas such as the nose and ears. It features a unique pivoting head that allows it to contour to the shape of your face, ensuring a close and comfortable shave. Plus, it's cordless and rechargeable, making it convenient to use anytime, anywhere. With the NADS nose and ear trimmer, you can achieve the perfect grooming results without any pain or discomfort. If you prefer not to use wax, another great alternative is the Silk Touch Epilator. This epilator is designed to remove hair from the root, leaving your skin smooth and hair-free for up to 4 weeks. It features a unique tweezing action that is gentle on the skin while effectively removing even the finest hairs. Plus, it comes with a built-in exfoliator to help remove dead skin cells and improve skin texture. The Silk Touch Epilator is a compact and portable device that is perfect for use at home or on the go. And let me show you a quick demo of how I apply this secret before my next wax. By the way, if you are loving this video so far, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Now let's continue. As you can see here, the secret is inside this brown bottle, and it's called Mecca to the Rescue. This product is a lifesaver for anyone who needs to calm irritated skin fast. It's like having a personal assistant for your skin. The best part, it's super versatile. Not only can you use it before waxing, but you can also use it after the wax to soothe and calm your skin. Plus, it doubles as an excellent pre-wax prep and post-wax aftercare. This product is a true gem that can save you from any skincare emergency. Here is how I use this product. First, make sure your skin is clean and dry. Next, apply the Mecca to the Rescue liberally to your face, using upward motions. Avoid the eye area. Allow the product to absorb fully and then proceed with your waxing routine. Alternatively, you can use it after waxing to soothe and calm your skin. Alright, beautiful people. I have personally tested this method, and let me tell you, it is a game changer. My skin felt so soft and smooth afterwards. No more bumps or irritation. I was shocked at how well it worked. Give it a try and you won't regret it. Now let's talk about the benefits of this trick. Say goodbye to razor bumps and nicks, because this trick leaves your skin smooth and bump-free. You'll feel so confident rocking that strapless dress or bikini wax. No more embarrassing situations. And get this, it also exfoliates your skin, revealing a radiant glow that will make you shine from the inside out. You'll look and feel like $1,000,000. If you want to take your hair removal game to the next level, I highly recommend trying the VIT Roll-On Hair Removal. This innovative product provides an alternative to traditional waxing and sugaring methods. The VET Roll-On Applicator ensures a precise and controlled application of the hair removal cream, making it easy to target specific areas. It's suitable for sensitive skin and can be used on the face, underarms, arms, and legs. Let's bust some myths about waxing after 40. Some say it's too late to start waxing, but trust me, age is just a number. It's never too late to achieve that smooth and luscious skin you desire. Let's challenge the notion that mature skin can't handle waxing. With the right preparation and aftercare, you can rock that Brazilian wax with confidence. As we age, our skin may become thinner and more sensitive, but that doesn't mean we have to throw in the towel. There are plenty of hair removal options available for mature ladies that are gentle on the skin. From sugaring to laser hair removal, there is something out there for everyone. It's time to shed some light on the misconception that waxing causes more pain after 40. Yes, our hormones may play tricks, resulting in thicker and darker hair, but that doesn't mean the pain will be unbearable. With proper preparation and the help of a skilled esthetician, you can minimize discomfort and enjoy a relatively painless waxing experience. I know I just gave you a bunch of products and alternatives, so let me show you a quick clip of me using the Mecca to the rescue. As you can see, I apply it right before my wax. It's a simple yet effective way to reduce sensitivity and prepare my skin for the wax. Whether you choose to wax, use hair removal cream, or try other methods like sugaring or laser hair removal, the most important thing is that you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. Embrace the journey towards smooth and beautiful skin because you deserve it. Remember, it's not about achieving the perfect body, but about feeling amazing in the one you have. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, you are amazing just the way you are. Please click the video on screen now for some additional tips.